Case study related to the chapter surface area and volume. The case study is this. A school organized an educational trip to Taj Mahal. The mathematics teacher of the school took her 9th standard students to it. The teacher has interest in history as well. She narrated the facts to Taj Mahal to students. Then the teacher said, in this monument can find combination of solid figures. There are 4 pillars which are cylindrical in shape. The Taj Mahal has a larger white dome surrounded by 4 smaller domes. Answer the following question. This is the case study and answer the following questions. This is a figure of Taj Mahal. Okay. 4 cylindrical pillars and 4 small domes and one big dome. Okay. Now the question number 1 is, how much cloth material will be required to cover 4 small domes, each of radius 2 meter. 4 small domes, each of radius 2 meter. The domes are hemispherical. It means CSA equal to 2 pi r square. Radius is 2 meter and 4 is pillar, 4 dome, and 4 into CSA. 4 into pi, 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square, 2 into 2. It is equal to the 832 into 22 by 7. Now divide, we get 100.57 meter square. The cloth कितना जरूरत पड़ेगी? 100.57 meter square to cover the 4 small domes. The right option is 99, 100.57, 98.23, 75. It is 100.57 meter square. The second question, write the formula to find the volume of a cylindrical pillar. So we know that the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. The volume of cylindrical pillar is pi r square h. Pi r l CSA of cone, pi r l plus r total surface area of cone, 2 pi r circumference. The volume is pi r square h. Next, find the curved surface area of the pillar. Its height is 7 meter and radius of its base is 1.4 meter. CSA of the pillar. Yani pillar is cylindrical. The curved surface area of pillar is 2 pi r h. Okay, now calculate. The radius is given that 1.4 meter and height is 7 meter. Now the CSA of cylinder 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 7. 7 cancel. 44 into 1.4. 16. It is equal to the 61.6 meter square. 44 into 1.4 is 61.6 meter square. It is equal to the 61.6 meter square. Okay. The next, how much is the volume of hemisphere if the radius of its base is 3.5 meter? The volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Radius equal to 3.5 meter. The radius is given that 3.5 meter. And the volume of hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi 22 by 7 and r cube is 3.5 3 times. ये से कैंसिल होगा 0.5 times. Now multiply all and divide by 3. We get 89.83 cubic meter. Okay. The volume is 89.83 cubic meter. This is the right answer, D. Okay. And the last question, what is the ratio of volume of hemisphere of radius 1 centimeter to the volume of cylinder with radius 2 centimeter and height 1 centimeter? The ratio of volume of hemisphere to the cylinder. The volume ratio equal to volume of hemisphere. Okay. to the volume of cylinder. Volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube and cylinder is pi r square into h. Pi cancel. Put the value 2 by 3. Radius of hemisphere is given that 1. It means 1 into 1 into 1. And radius of cylinder is 2. Radius of cylinder 2 and height 1. 2 into 2 into 1. 2 cancel. The 1 by 6. The ratio is 1:6. Okay. The right option is 1:1, 1:6, 6:1, 1:4, 1:6. Okay.